Friends, myself Dattatreya Jadhav. I am from HM College Karana. Today we are going to discuss an important corollary on integration. Okay. So corollary is if integration of f of x dx is equal to phi of x plus c, then integration of f of x plus b dx is equal to phi of ax plus b divided by here coefficient of x, that is a, plus constant of integration c. Some formulas on that corollary. First one, we know that integration of x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus constant of integration c. Okay, corollary says that if integration of f of x dx is equal to phi of x plus c, then integration of f of replace x by linear equation ax plus b. Okay, dx is equal to phi of ax plus b, replace x by ax plus b and divide by the coefficient of x, that is a plus constant of integration c. Remember, replace x by only linear equations, not quadratic equations, not cubic equations. Okay, so formula of x raised to n becomes integration of ax plus b. I can replace x by ax plus b. So ax plus b bracket raised to n dx, integration of ax plus b bracket raised to n dx is equal to, consider ax plus b, that linear equation as x. The formula looks like x raised to n. So integration of x raised to n is what? X raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So integration of ax plus b bracket raised to n is ax plus b bracket raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay, don't forget to divide by coefficient of x, that is a. Here I multiplied by 1 upon a plus constant of integration c. We know that second formula for integration is integration of 1 upon x dx is equal to log of mod x plus c. This implies, yes, if integration of 1 upon x dx is equal to log of mod x plus c, then by corollary integration of 1 upon ax plus b dx is equal to what? Here is x is replaced by ax plus b. So consider that ax plus b as x. So integration of 1 upon x is what? Log of mod x. So integration of 1 upon ax plus b is what? Log of mod of x plus b. Don't forget to divide by coefficient of x, that is a, plus constant of integration c. Here is the second formula. Okay. Third, integration of, we know that integration of e raised to x, yes, integration of e raised to x is again e raised to x. So integration of e raised to x dx is equal to e raised to x plus c. Then if you want to find the integration of e raised to x plus b dx, okay, if x is replaced by ax plus b, then the formula for integration of e raised to x plus b dx becomes, look at here, consider x plus b as x. What's here? E raised to x. So integration of e raised to x is e raised to x. So integration of e raised to x plus b is e raised to x plus b. Okay, divided by coefficient of x, that is a plus constant of integration c. Okay. Next formula is integration of a raised to x dx is what? Integration of a raised to x dx is a raised to x divided by log a. Okay. Now we want to to find the formula for integration of a raised to linear equation. Okay, here we consider linear equation as ax plus b, but here a is already there, so I can take here linear equation as px plus q, a raised to px plus q dx is equal to. Okay, consider that px plus q as x. Integration of a raised to x is what? A raised to x divided by log a. So integration of a raised to px plus q is what? A raised to px plus q divided by log a. Don't forget to multiply or to divide by coefficient of x, that is p. Here I can multiply by its reciprocal, that is 1 upon p plus constant of integration c. Next formula is, we know that integration of trigonometric functions. Integration of sin x is what? Fifth formula for integration of sin x. We know that integration of sin x. Integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. Okay, so by the corollary, if we replace x by x plus b, so we get integration of sin of x plus b dx is equal to, the formula for sin of ax plus b becomes, consider again ax plus b as x. We know the integration of sin x. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. So integration of sin of ax plus b is minus cos of ax plus b. Don't forget to divide by coefficient of x. That is, here coefficient of x is a. So divide by a plus constant of integration c. Next, we know that formula for integration of cos of x dx. Integration of cos of x dx is equal to what? Whose derivative is cos x? Derivative of sin x is cos x. So integration of cos x is what? Sin x. So integration of sin cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. Then we find the new formula for integration of cos of linear equation. Okay, means cos of, if angle is in linear equation, that is linear equation can be expressed as ax plus b. Cos of x plus b dx is equal to. Okay, so remember here, consider x plus b as a x. When x plus b as x, it looks like cos x dx. Integration of cos x is what? Integration of cos x is sin x. So integration of cos of x plus b is what? Sin of x plus b divided by coefficient of x, or simply derivative of x plus b. Derivative of x plus b is a. That is, sin of x plus b divided by a is the formula for integration of cos of x plus b dx. Next, seventh formula. We know that integration of sec square x dx. Tell me integration of sec square x dx. Integration of sec square x dx is tan x plus c. So if we replace x by linear equation, so we get integration of sec square of x plus b dx is equal to new formula for sec square of integration of sec square of x plus b dx is equal to. Okay, consider this linear equation as x. So integration of its sec square x. Integration of sec square x is tan x. So integration of sec square of x plus b dx is equal to tan of x plus b divided by coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Here it's a plus constant of integration c. Now eighth formula is for we know that integration of cosec square x dx. We know the integration of cosec square x dx. Integration of cosec square x dx is minus cot x. Okay, so now we find the formula for integration of cosec square of x plus b dx is equal to, okay, again consider x plus b as x. Integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. So integration of minus cosec square of x plus b is minus cot of x plus b. Don't forget to divide by coefficient of x, that is a, plus constant of integration c. Okay, next we know that integration of sec x into tan x. Yes, integration of sec x into tan x is sec x, and we find the formula for integration of sec of ax plus b into tan of ax plus b. Yes, here integration of sec of x sec x into tan x dx is equal to, whose derivative is sec x into tan x? The answer is derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x, and we know that integration is inverse process of differentiation. So integration of sec x into tan x dx is equal to sec x plus c. Then from above corollary, new formula for replace x by x plus b. For sec of x plus b into tan of x plus b is what? Yes, consider x plus b as a x. So it looks like sec x into tan x. Integration of sec x into tan x is what? Sec x. So integration of sec of x plus b into tan of x plus b is what? Yes, very good. Sec of ax plus b. Don't forget to divide by coefficient of x, that is a, plus constant of integration c. Yes, next formula for integration of, yes, cosec x into cot x. Integration of cosec x into cot x dx is equal to minus cosec x. Okay, integration of cosec x into cot x dx is equal to minus cosec x. So new formula for integration of cosec of x plus b into cot of x plus b dx is equal to integration of cosec of x plus b into cot of x plus b dx is equal to, it's minus cosec of x plus b divided by coefficient of x plus constant of integration c. Similarly, you try to solve new formulas for composite function ax plus b. Okay, now we are seeing some examples on that corollary. Some basic examples on that corollary. First, evaluate integration of sin of 3x plus 2. Okay, sin of 3x plus 2 dx. First, it is example on integration. So solution is, let integration of I is equal to, since it is an example of integration, we denote this integration by I. Let I is equal to integration of sin of 3x plus 2 dx. Okay, now here 3x plus 2 is a linear equation. 3x plus 2 is a linear equation. Remember, here degree of x is 1, so it is a linear equation. Now consider that 3x plus 2 as x. So we get sin x is integration of sin x is what? Integration of sin x is minus cos x. So integration of Sine of 3x plus 2 is what? It's minus cos of 3x plus 2 divided by, yes, divided by coefficient of that linear equation. Here coefficient of that linear equation is, coefficient of x is 3. So divide by 3 plus constant of integration c. Similarly, another example is here. Evaluate integration cos of 2 plus 3x, okay, dx. Integration of cos of 2 plus 3x dx. Okay, first here in solution, suppose that integration is let I is equal to integration of cos of 2 plus 3x. Okay, here 2 plus 3x is again a linear equation, so consider it as a x. If we consider it as a x, it looks like integration of cos x dx, and integration of cos x is what? Integration of cos x is sin x. Okay, so integration of 2 cos of 2 plus 3x is equal to sin of 2 plus 3x divided by coefficient of x, that is 3, plus constant of integration c. Now next example is evaluate integration of e raised to x plus 5 dx. Okay, here we find the integration of e raised to x plus 5. First denote the given integration by I. So let I is equal to what? E raised to x plus 5. Okay, e raised to x plus 5, integration of e raised to x plus 5. Here what? X plus 5 is what? Linear equation. Consider that linear equation as a x. We get the formula for what? E raised to x, and integration of e raised to x is e raised to x. So here integration of e raised to x plus 5 is e raised to x plus 5 divided by coefficient of x, that is 1 plus constant of integration c. On simplifying it becomes e raised to x plus 5 plus constant of integration c. Okay, next simple example is evaluate integration of 1 upon 2x minus 3, 1 upon 2x minus 3 dx. Okay, so first denote the given example of integration by I. So let I is equal to, starting with let I is equal to integration of 1 upon 2x minus 3 dx. Okay, I is equal to integration of 1 upon 2x minus 3 dx. Look at here, 2x minus 3 dx. 2x minus 3 looks like linear equation ax plus b. Okay, so we use that corollary. Corollary says if integration of f of x dx is phi of x, then integration of f of x plus b dx is equal to phi of x plus b divided by a plus constant of integration c. So now consider 2x minus 3 as x. If we consider 2x minus 3 as x, then it looks like, yes, 1 upon x, integration of 1 upon x, integration of 1 upon x dx. And we know that formula for integration of 1 upon x dx, it's log of mod of x plus constant of integration c. So the answer of the integration of 1 upon 2x minus 3 dx is, yes, log of mod of 2x minus 3. Don't forget to divide by coefficient of x, that is 2 plus constant of integration c. Okay, next example, evaluate integration 1 up Evaluate integration sec square of x by 2. Yes, dx. Evaluate integration of sec square of x by 2. Remember, these are simple examples on integration. First, denote the given example of integration by I. So, starting with let I is equal to integration of sec square of x by 2. Okay? Here x by 2 is there. We know the formula for integration of sec square x dx. Integration of sec square x dx is what? Tan x plus c. Okay, but here in the given example, to find integration of sec square of x by 2. Here x by 2 is a linear equation. Okay, because degree of x is what? 1. Since degree of x is 1, it is a linear equation, and constant term b is here 0. Okay. So integration of sec square, consider that x by 2. Okay, consider that x by 2 as x. We get integration of sec square x, and we know that integration of sec square x dx is what? Tan x. So integration of sec square of x by 2 is what? Tan of x by 2. Okay, divided by coefficient of x is what here? Coefficient of x is 1 upon 2. Plus constant of integration. On simplification we get, yes, 2 into tan of x by 2 plus c. Okay. Next, one more example is here. Evaluate integration of 2x minus 5 bracket raised to 6 dx. Evaluate integration of 2x minus 5 bracket raised to 6 dx. Okay, first it is an example of integration. So start with let I is equal to integration 2x minus 5 bracket raised to 6 dx. Okay, now 2x minus 5 bracket raised to 6. It is not possible here to expand 2x minus 5 bracket raised to 6. But we know that 2x minus 5 is what? 2x minus 5 is linear equation. Okay, because here degree of x is 1. It is a linear equation. So linear equation raised to 6. And Corollary says that if integration of f of x dx is equal to phi of x plus c, then integration of f of x plus b dx is equal to phi of x plus b divided by a plus c. Okay, functions remain same, but what happened here? Divide by coefficient of x and replace x by x plus b. Okay, so considering that 2x minus 5 as x, that linear equation as x, so we get here x raised to 6. Integration of x raised to 6, it looks like integration of x raised to n. Integration of x raised to n is what? X raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So integration of 2x minus 5 bracket raised to 6 becomes, yes, x raised to, but here x is what? 2x minus 5 bracket raised to 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is what? 7 divided by same power 7 into what? Coefficient of x, that is 2 plus c. Okay, which is equal to, it can be written as 2x minus 5 bracket raised to what? 7, and 7 2s are 14 plus constant of integration c. Okay, so today we see here some examples on the corollary. If integration of f of x dx is equal to phi of x plus c, then integration of f of x plus b dx is equal to phi of x plus b divided by a plus c. Hope you understand the new formulas of integration and how to solve the examples of the integration of composite function. But remember, composite function contains only linear equation. Okay.